This is the wheel cylinders off my Subaru 360. So what I did last night was I sandblasted them all. Sandblasted them all over. And then I blew out the sand. And what I did after that was I washed them in the sink. And it was important to get this area here all cleaned out. All the corrosion and stuff. And then what I did was I soaked them overnight in soapy water. And now I'm going to, I got one apart already, and I got it apart by heating that up. So I'm going to heat up another one here. See if I can get it to turn. Ah, it's boiling. I can hear it. Look at that. Look at how easy that turns now. Alright, now I'm going to spray some lube in it. You can tell it's hot, still boiling there. And then I'm going to wiggle that thing out of there. There it is. Time for new seals. I'm going to heat this one up again. I got the other one apart. Must be the lube flaming off. Look at that. This thing goes all the way through. That's kind of cool. Or hot, depending on how you're thinking about it. Stinky. Oh, there it goes. Got a little gap now. Still stinky. There we go. Yep. Rusty. Wasn't sure there was a good angle for honing. So this is a 2-stone hone. And the stones are extra fine. I like to hone them even though I might have to send them out and get them re-sleeved. So I'm going to put some lube in the cylinder first. And hopefully this won't fly all over my camera. Do that, and you wipe it out. Got some pits, but, you know, if I was desperate, I could run that. I'd probably hone it a little bit more, though.